Solved problems. Profit and loss appropriation account and calculation of current account balances of the partners. Problem. Ebony and Ivory are partners and EI partnership. The financial year end is 31st December each year. The following information is taken from the financial records. Capital account 1st January 2021 Ebony 4 million. Capital account 1st January 2021 Ivory 1.5 million. Current account 1st January 2021 Ebony 60,000 credit. Current account 1st January 2021 Ivory 66,000 debit. Drawings December 31st December 2021 Ebony 26,500. Drawings 31st December 2021 Ivory 26,500. Net profit for the year 3,600,000. Additional information. 1. Interest on capital at 6% per annum. 2. Ivory started receiving a monthly salary of 5,000 from June 2021. 3. Ebony receives a bonus of 15.5% of net profit after the transfer of all interest and salaries. 4. The balance of the profit is to be shared as 1:3 between Ebony and Ivory respectively. Prepare the appropriation statement for the year ended 31st December 2021. Calculate the current account balance for each partner as it would appear in the statement of financial position as at 31st December 2021. Profit and loss appropriation account. Net profit brought down 3,600,000 less interest on capital Ebony 4 million at 6% 240,000 less interest on capital Ivory 1,500,000 at 6% 90,000. Total interest on capital 330,000 less salary to Ivory 5,000 per month from June for 7 months 35,000. Net profit after interest on salaries 3,235,000 less bonus to Ebony 15.5% on 3,235,000, that is 5,01,425. Net profit after bonus 2,733,575. Share of profits Ebony 1/4 683,394. Share of profits Ivory 3/4 2,050,181. Total 2,733,575. Current accounts of partners Ebony Ivory total. Balance brought down 60,000 debit. Ivory 66,000 credit. Total 6,000 credit. Interest on capital at 6%. Ebony 240,000. Ivory 90,000. Total 330,000. Salary at 500 from June to December 7 months for Ivory 35,000. Total 35,000. Bonus to Ebony 50.5% on net profit 501,425. Total 501,425. Total current account of Ebony 801,425. Total current account of Ivory 59,000. Total of the current accounts is 860,425. Owner's equity Ebony Ivory total. Capital 4 million for Ebony. Current account 801,425 Ebony. Drawings less 26,500 for Ebony. Share in profit 683,394 for Ebony. Total Ebony equity capital is 5,458,319. For Ivory, capital 1.5 million. Current account 59,000. Drawings minus 26,500. Share in profits 2,050,181. Total 3,582,681. Totals capital 5.5 million. Current account 864,25. Drawings 53,000 minus. Share in profit 2,733,575. Total owner's equity 9,041,000. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.